Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your mini profile background on Steam, so let's jump right in. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your username displayed. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select View My Profile. This will take you to your main Steam profile page where you can see all your public information and customization options. Now, on the right panel of your profile page, you'll notice an option that says Edit Profile. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can access all the different customization features Steam offers for personalizing your profile appearance. Once you're in the Edit Profile section, look over to the left panel. You'll see several options listed there. Click on Steam Points Shop. This is Steam's storefront for cosmetic items and profile enhancements that you can purchase using Steam Points, which you earn through purchases on the platform. In that same left panel, you'll now see different categories of items available. Click on Backgrounds to filter the shop specifically for profile customization options. This narrows down the selection to just background-related items. Next, scroll down through the available backgrounds until you find a section labeled Mini Profile Backgrounds. Right beside it, you'll see a See All button. Click on that to view the complete collection of mini profile backgrounds available for purchase. This opens up all the options so you can browse through and find one that matches your style. Take your time browsing through the results and click on your preferred mini profile background when you find one you like. Now, here's something important to keep in mind. In order to enable this background, you must first have enough Steam points to get it. Each background has a point cost displayed on it, and you'll need to have earned sufficient points through your Steam purchases. Although I don't have Steam points right now, I will show you the next step. Once you find the background you want, press Buy or Purchase. The system will deduct the required points from your balance and add the background to your inventory. This process is instant, so you won't need to wait for anything to download or process. After you've purchased it, you need to equip it to make it visible on your profile. Go back to the upper right corner, click on your username again, and select View My Profile just like you did at the beginning. On the right panel, click Edit Profile once more to return to your customization options. This time in the left panel, click on Mini Profile. This is where you manage the appearance of your mini profile, which is the small profile preview that shows up when people hover over your name. Now select the mini profile background you just purchased from the available options. You'll see it appear as a preview so you can confirm it's the one you want. Finally, click Save to apply your changes, and your new mini profile background will now be active for everyone to see. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Steam mini profile with a new background. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.